Hey everyone, it's Sens Collector 7 back here after what seems to be an extremely long break, but I've been very busy with work and school, so been pretty inactive for the last few months, but I'm back now, hopefully getting more videos out. And I'm here today with a Series 1 Canadian exclusive box from Toys R Us. And, I'm going to break this today. Looking for Boeser in here, hopefully. And maybe McAvoy as well. Keep that in the background. And I guess I'll start with the bonus pack. Looks like we've got Canadians here. Charlie Lindgren, Nikita Scherbak, Arturi Lehkonen. And, oh nice, a Leafs one, that's cool. Mitch Marner, Austin Matthews, William Nylander. So we'll keep those aside and get to the 10 packs that we have in this box. I'll go through the base fairly quickly just because, oh man, right as I said it to start the video, I can't believe this. Brock Boeser Young Guns, holy. I've been actually looking for one of those lately too, but nobody wants to get rid of them as he's doing extremely well. That's a nice hit. Don't even care what's in the rest of the box now. Canvas of Tom Wilson. Wow, that's amazing. First pack and we get a Boeser Young Guns. Unreal. Third pack here. Tyson Jost Rookie Portraits. It's not a bad one either. Now we've got a second Young Guns, Samuel Morin. Isn't too good of a Young Gun, but I mean, got Boeser already, so I can't complain with whatever's left in this box. Alex Wenberg, Shining Stars. Got all base there. PK Subban, UD Portraits. Nice card there. I like the look of the portraits this year. The black and white look is definitely better than the colored one they had last year. Oh, nice. And we've got a jersey in this pack as well. Boeser and a jersey card. It's a great box. And it is of Adam Henrique. Recently traded to the Ducks. But New Jersey on that one. Down to the last two packs here. It's been a great box so far. UD Canvas, so Matthew Tkachuk. And our final pack here of this Series 1 box. And the last pack will have the Young Guns canvas of Calle Rosen of the Maple Leafs. So that's a nice hit as well. Excuse me. So that's going to do it here for this box. I got this at Toys R Us. I think that's where they sell the Canadian exclusive ones, but super, super happy with this. I can't believe I pulled it. It's worth a lot right now, so definitely won't be moving that for a while. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely stay tuned for more videos to come in the near future. So I will try to be uploading more frequently. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later.